Hello everyone. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Today I'm gonna showing you a JSON server. A JSON server. Sometimes many web application need API request and by both get and post or delete or put every request in you if you want. If you want any request, then you have to maintain a JSON server because of JSON is reliable and for API it's most suitable is JSON. So if you don't have any knowledge about JSON or JSON writing typing format, please search Google or search on YouTube and see some tutorial about JSON. I'm not gonna teach you about JSON or JSON object server, etc. Just I am showing you how to host a JSON object or a JSON API or a API host on a fake request within a fake request. This is a full RESTful API with zero coding and less than 30 seconds. The JSON server is says less than 30 seconds. You can show a API on your website on your localhost or local server. So let's start it for installing. Before we get started, you have to install Node.js on your PCs. If you don't have any installation of Node.js, just install Node.js. I have already installed Node.js, so here it is, and I'm also install JSON-Server. If you install Node.js, then you have to install JSON-Server like npm install JSON-Server, which is installed globally. So I have already installed, but it's for you that I'm typing. And the documentation says create a db.json with some data. As an example of a JSON data, which is a JSON object, and in the post the parameters or the fields are the post, and here is the array of some collection of data. So it is an example of data for a JSON file, and which gonna host on your API or a local host. So basically I am putting this on a file. It's called name db.json. I have already created, so I am cancelling this for installation purpose. First for quicker, I have installed JSON-Server. So I'm going to my project directory, cd API. So here it is. I have already created a file, db.json. So let's check the db.json. What file can contain what type of data is containing db.json. So I am opening this file. So here it is, db.json. As like the JSON server says, the post and the field are the I have just copy and paste into this code. If you have different kind of data and different type of API needs, API kind of field needs, you can arrange, you can set, you can everything you want to put a request on JSON. So it is okay for now. I'm saving this. So just I'm checking the JSON data will host on localhost or otherwise not. So it will the perform HTTP JSON server double dash watch space the file name db.json. After commanding this, you will see something. The terminal will say something loading db.json resources, and there are three kind of URL. That resource is called resources. There is the post, comment, and profile. it is here is a three kind of field are post, comment, and profile. So at first the data says, the resources says the localhost 3000 slash post. If you go to this URL, you can see the post on as like a JSON. So here it is, and it is showing that ID1, this ID1, and JSON server title, JSON server, author type code. So it is okay. So if you seems that is it a valid or invalid JSON object request, JSON request, so you can check by some other application when you are trying to implement the JSON object or JSON request. So you have to you have to use a you have to try that is that a valid request or not. So I'm trying using Postman as the API development platform. I'm already requesting JSON data on this on this platform. So here it is, localhost 3000 slash post, new window, and I'm getting this URL. So just check is it working or not. So I'm getting the post request and I'm sending the request on JSON server. So here it is, the array of collection, and here is the object of JSON data, ID, title, and author. The three kind of fields are showing in this request, and you can set multiple parameter or multiple request by this server, by this application. So here it is. I'm not teaching you about the JSON, about some others kind of JSON. You must have some JSON knowledge about building before building a API or API request, so yeah, then this tool can help you to understand or extend your application, or extend into another application. You have another application as a JSON provider. So just the same parameters are the same thing that showing. And so this is, and is a simple JSON server for Node.js user, Node.js application developer, or any front-end or back-end developer. So guys, if you have any queries or question, please comment the comment section, or if you have any suggestion, or if I make many mistakes, then please mention that. Or after any queries, or if you have next queries about JSON or JSON server, please mention on comment or suggestion. I will show you in next tutorial, and I will trying to have some videos about your problem. So thank you, and if this video is helping you, then thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.